Alright guys, what's going on? Levi Trumbull here. So we have an update as it relates to Pedro Argote, the individual who was suspected of killing Washington County Circuit Court Judge Andrew Wilkinson last Thursday. There has been a manhunt for his person. The Maryland State Police Department has confirmed that they have found Pedro Argote's deceased remains in a wooded area approximately 1 mile from where his gray Mercedes-Benz SUV was located. So there's not going to be any indictment. He has been found dead. He is deceased. His remains are currently being transported to a medical examiner's office to determine his cause of death. So just as I stated in the previous video, I said that I would be surprised if they did not find him relatively quick. They have found him. It's been about a week. And they found him dead. They didn't find him alive. They found him deceased in a wooded area. I also want to tell this audience that in addition to the fact that he has been found deceased, that is not where we are going to leave this story. We have a lot more to talk about as it relates to this suspect and this circumstance. One of the things that I would like to inform this audience is that we have pulled his entire divorce case. We have all the judicial records from that divorce case, from the case where his ex-wife tried to put a protective order against him. We have a ton of records. We are going to be bringing you new pictures of this suspect. We are going to be bringing you perhaps some financial statements. We are going to be bringing you some text messages that were sent back and forth. We have a lot of information about this individual, this Pedro Argote, new images, new documents, new materials that we are going to be bringing to you, the viewer. So look forward to that coming out sometime soon. But we have a lot of documents that we are sifting through now. And when we look through what is relevant and we decipher what will be applicable to use and necessary to use for the purposes of a story, we will do that in its context. But the breaking news for today is that Pedro Argote, 49 years old, from Frederick, Maryland, has been found in Williamsport, Maryland, deceased, and is the suspect, the individual named as the person who murdered Judge Andrew Wilkinson last Thursday. Guys, Levi Trumbull reporting in Frederick.